this is what I was saying previously. It's something new. The reason I came up on this was because I know DJI, or I at least thought DJI had an event happen recently, but that's on Wednesday, so hasn't happened yet.
Okay.
But then I stumbled on this. It's a drone, clearly not for any sort of regular consumer.
Yeah.
It's I guess, well, let me say, it's called the AGRAS T40, meant for, I mean, agricultural purposes, along with, I mean, a lot of other stuff too.
Yeah.
Let's get to some specs here. You got coaxial twin rotor designs. You don't see this in any of their other drones. So basically each leg.
Yeah. Let's go with leg.
Each leg has two propellers to make four propellers per leg instead of just two. So you got 8.
8.
Wait, no.
On each side, 16 total.
Yes. Oh my God.
Yeah.
So you got 16 propellers on this one, which that's a lot
of propellers. Yeah.
And you really need it because it can carry 50 kilograms worth of.
That's pretty heavy.
What's
that in pounds? I don't know.
It's got 50 kilograms or 70 liters. So this is, I mean, in the agricultural sense, you're probably carrying pesticides to spray on your crops. I do not know what it is in pounds.
I'm Googling it.
Oh,
110 pounds.
Oh my goodness.
That is quite heavy.
That is a lot.
Yeah. Wow.
All thanks to those additional propellers.
Yeah.
So it's saying it can carry a spray load of 40 kilograms and a spread load of 50 kilograms. I don't know the difference between spraying and spreading. I'm guessing like spreading, like if you're trying to plant crops, that maybe you're carrying seeds, but then I don't know how it like spreads them because it has sprayers built in for like a liquid. So I don't know how it would like disperse the seeds.
Yeah.
This is getting a little.
Or for fertilizer, just flying, dropping fertilizer.
Yeah.
That would be dangerous.
Oh gosh.
You gotta watch your head.
Yeah. Anyways, it's got the full array of sensors. I mean, it goes to show, I don't even know how expensive this is. It doesn't show on the website at all. So I'm going to guess a lot.
Probably. How big is it? Like, I can't tell, but if it's carrying 110 pounds, I feel like it has to be.
It's definitely hard to like see how big it is. When it unfolds like that, you can kind of get a better picture of it. But
it doesn't show it next to something that to give us, an idea of scale.
I think at the bottom you'll kind of see.
Okay.
We'll get to it.
All right.
What else? It's got. I mean, okay, we talked about the payload. You can kind of see it here spraying a tree. I don't know why it's spraying a tree.
It's spraying water in case there's a forest fire.
You see, that's what I thought. That's what I thought.
I don't think that's actually what it is.
I know, but like, wouldn't that be smart? But then I'm like, okay, it doesn't seem like that powerful. So you can't use it for that. At least not yet. They even thought about like reliability with this drone, which I feel like it's a big part of DJI, right?
Yeah.
Like you on all of their things, you can like take apart the propellers, replace them. I don't know about too much about the motors themselves, but it seems like you can kind of fix them yourself.
Right.
And same goes with the sprayers. They're super easy to take apart. So if you're spraying pesticides, which are corrosive, You can quickly take them apart and clean them by hand. Very nicely.
Nice.
If we go further down, hold on. I want to show you how big it is. We've talked about the sensors.
Show me how big it is.
It can map as well. Its surroundings very well. So if you're trying to create a path for the drone, it can do it super accurately, and with the intelligence that is within the remote and the drone itself, it can figure out a path by itself that can optimize how it sprays.
Dang.
Which
that's nice.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
You can kind of see more of that. It kind of generates sort of an optimal path for you.
Right.
And the how big it is right somewhere down here. Look, there you go.
Okay. Yeah.
It's big. It's next to a generator here.
Yeah.
It's big.
Yeah. See, like I figured it would be again considering the weight, but it looks like when you see it with nothing next to it, it just looks like it could be like literally this big.
Yeah. So I mean,
obviously,
like this guy, it looks like just the body of the drone is about the width of like a person. Right?
Yeah.
If he stood in front of it, he would like just cover the body of the drone.
Yeah.
So I don't know. How big is that?
Fairly.
Maybe like 35 centimeters. I don't know.
It's like just over.
We
maybe
do have
something
specs.
like that. Something like that. Yeah.
Dimensions.
Total weight too with battery is 50 kg.
Wow.
So it is 110 pounds.
Yes.
And can also carry. It's the same amount of weight.
Yeah. It can actually carry its own weight. Like additionally. Cool. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Again, they put this in millimeters. Why? Who does this?
I don't know.
2,800 millimeters across. What is that? That's solid. 28 centimeters. Yeah, I was almost right.
Yeah.
Is that, wait, that's 28. 100 millimeters is a meter.
No, 100 centimeters is a meter. 100 millimeters is a... it's been too long. Hold on.
It's 10 millimeters is 1 centimeter. Okay, so it's...
Yeah, so it's 280.
280 centimeters across. Okay,
that's what I thought that's what I was first thinking.
Yes.
But then I really couldn't remember there for a second.
So that's 2 meters. That's almost 3 meters.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That's pretty big.
For all of you that require this in feet, I'll just put it on the bottom. You'll see it.
You're not going to calculate it in your head right now?
Hold on.
No, it's okay. It's okay. You don't have to.
Let me... Yeah, sorry. That's too big.
Yeah. And the next one too, then it's 315. Does it go... What does it go? Width, length, height? Which way? What's the order of it?
I mean, I would think it's square, but it's not. It's longer on one side.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we have to keep in mind too that this is with the propellers unfolded, because we're not.
Yes.
It's not the actual measurements of just the body of it, because that's what we were guessing first. But
right. Yeah.
Regardless, pretty big.
It is a giant drone.
Mm-hmm.
What else? I don't think there's much else. I think that's about it with the drone. What do you think about this?
That's interesting. I mean, it's pretty cool. I feel like it could certainly help in terms of like farmers or whoever's going to be using it, because then they don't have to be like driving a machine around. They could just have their drone fly.
True.
And then spray or spread, whatever it may be, which is pretty convenient. Next, we're going to be seeing these things with our Amazon packages, bro.
Exactly. That's. I was literally just thinking about that.
Yeah.
These things are just going to deliver. Like, think about how much it can carry. It can just deliver pretty much anything I would order on a daily basis.
Yeah. Yeah.
Unless maybe grocery shopping.
Right.
Depends how many people. But this could work.
That could be a thing. I mean, I feel like I've heard that was going to happen before. We have yet to see it.
Yeah.
As far as I know. But I would not be surprised if at some point they try that.
I mean, Amazon. Let's go. Come on.
Jeff, come on, man.
Get to it. You guys are... Amazon's big enough that they don't even need to see the price. That's the perfect customer.
That's true. They're pretty big.
Yeah. They could just get me 10 of them.
Yeah.
Maybe 100. Yeah.
No, I think start with 10 or something like that. Just to test. I don't know. That would probably be wise, I think.
Maybe.
Maybe it won't be this drone specifically, but maybe, something like this, because I don't think they'll be needing the spreading / spraying capabilities of this drone.
I mean, what if someone tries to steal the drone though?
Just sprays pepper spray.
Yeah.
Oh, damn, bro.
They still need the sprayers. So.
Oh, okay. It's actually genius. You're right.
Exactly.
Well, I think we should just pitch that to Jeff Bezos.
And then we'll get Bezos money.
Yep. Easy as that.
It's just like that. You see, you guys can do this too. But don't take our idea.
Because we're gonna do it. Yeah.
Exactly.
That's a pretty cool drone though. I'm interested to see how much that's gonna be used. I mean, I guess we won't really see how much these are being used, at least not in the near future, because I don't know how many farmers will actually have these right away near us.
Right.
But maybe, a few years in the future, maybe more than a few years, I don't know. And again, if it's going to start being implemented in other ways where we will be seeing it more, like delivering packages or, I don't know, whatever you guys could think of.
Yeah. I mean, I think it's just cool to see DJI focusing on something other than just camera drones and
it is cool. Yeah.
just that kind
nice
of
to
stuff.
See.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're spicing it up a little.
Exactly.